Yep, there we go. New hot lead. You guys heard that knock? I can come in here now and I can do a video call and the website rings. If you are running ads or any kind of traffic to anything, this will help sell. So we have Knock Knock in our particular website and we've been seeing a lot of success with it. And today we're gonna show how to set it up, all the new features that are coming out of it. This is definitely something you wanna try out. So I wanted to get Omar and Anna here to just kind of show the community about all the different kind of things that a Knock Knock does. I use it for my own websites. If you guys kind of just want to see it right now, just so you guys see why it's super important, you will see this kind of in action. So what happens is you see this right here, and then we have this talk to a specialist, but I kind of want everybody to like watch the screen for a hot minute. So what happens is if I'm on the page and I'm going around and everything else, it's recording my actions directly on the page. And then over time, what will happen is this will actually move to the center and it will actually ask me to call, or I can click on here directly. And as you can see, we have a very large, and you can replace this with your video to schedule an appointment or ask a question. So if I wanted to ask a question right now, I could, or better yet, like I said, over time, this actually will usually come in here. What's really cool is if I go to the Knock Knock app in my phone or on the web, and I'll show it on the web, is I'll log in and then you can actually see when people are real time on your site. It has a list of all the contacts of all the leads that we have, 15 visitors. And then inside here, it will actually show, where is it? Dashboards, unique visitors.
This one here.
Yeah. Yeah. So here I am, unknown visitor. And if I click on it, and the person's still on there, this is how cool this thing is. I can come in here now and I can do a video call and the website rings.
There's a real user you're calling.
All right, so let's try another one. We'll try.
I think the one at the bottom one, the last one probably is you. We're just in Mariano.
Yeah, there we are, right? So look, it shows my video live as I'm ready to go to talk to this person on the website. And then if you accept, this is going to create all kind of reverb, but you can immediately talk to the person who's visiting your site. And I just think that's so freaking cool. So again, real live interactions with your customers. And you can also message, hey there, this is Nuno. Do you have any questions? All right. And if I hit send again, come back over here, it's coming directly from me. I don't know about you all, but this happens to be one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Yes, I have a question. And then now I'm in full engagement with that person directly in here. So that's what makes this a little bit different. And today, we're going to show like how to set it up, all the new features that are coming out of it. And if anybody's interested, you know, this is definitely something you want to try out. Again, and I want to be clear, you only want to really do this if you have traffic at all going to your websites. But if you have traffic, this is an absolute no-brainer. It just guarantees more customer service, better sales, because they see the interaction. I mean, just imagine all of a sudden your face popping up and you're like, hey, I can talk to you right now. And then immediately going in, like I said. So I have Anna and Omar are the owners of Knock Knock. And I wanted to bring them on because, like I said, anybody we recommend this to does really, really well. And it's just a really good software. And like I said, we're using it all on our sites and we're having tremendous success.
So just imagine that your last customer, how they came on their website. So how many were they? And they must have raised their hand, must have filled a form. Maybe you got in touch with them on phone, or maybe they interacted with a chatbot, booked a meeting on website. Some sort of hand raising must have happened. Now imagine how many were there. Maybe some who raised their hand and you have the visibility of those very, very warm or hot leads who are getting in touch with them. But how many your customers or how many resources you must have been deploying, getting more traffic and gaining attention? How many were they? I'm sure there were many, many, many more who were part of your funnel or your customer's funnel. And we do not usually have the visibility. Who were they? How many people are visiting your websites? How many of them are really warm and interested and problem aware and looking for the right vendor or solution provider? And we do not even consider them because they never raised their hand. And a competitor who raised their hand, who was more proactive, somehow they landed to another competitor's website and converted there. So you are putting so much effort in bringing the customer to your website, and ultimately who wins? Your competitor.
All right, so this is the activities tab on Knock Knock app. This is Knock Knock app inside of HighLevel, as you can see. And this is as an independent, you can use it both inside or outside of HighLevel. So When a visitor lands onto your website, you instantly get notified. It can identify the visitor, who the visitor is. It gives you more information, where the visitor is actually coming from, the location, about their business, their email address, their website URL, all that kind of information. In this section here, you can see in real time what the visitor is doing on your website. You can literally do the eye tracking. You can track their eyes, what section, what page, what they're reading, and so on. These are our call to action buttons where you can actually call your website visitors while they're on your website. Just like Nuna was giving you a small demo. If I initiate this button, I can call the website visitor. Now, the real fun happens. Let's say you got, as you can see, I think I've got about 20 visitors on my website right now. Now, I'm a busy business owner. I don't have time to stay on this app and see what's happening and who's coming and who's going. So what's happening is we have got AI agents run behind the scene, and the AI agent's job is to look for every visitor who's landing onto your website, observe their user behavior, and based on that, it automatically assigns each user intent score or the lead score. And lead score can be between 1 and 100. Now, AI looks for behavioral signals like if this is the first time visitor landing on the website, has they been on your website in the last 24, 48 hours, how deep they're scrolling, how many clicks. It pretty much tracks every click, every scroll on the website. Now, when the intent score goes over 50, AI agent's job is to proactively reach out to the website visitor, engage with them, and either generate an inquiry or book an appointment for you, or hand off the conversation to real human, to you guys, while the visitor is on the website. So which is also called micro moment marketing. Now, obviously in the recorded session, you'll see all the past visitors who have been on your website in the past, and you can see all their recordings, their session recordings, what they have been doing on the website. Now, when it comes to the agents in here, we have got multiple agents. Building agents is super easy. You just enter all the knowledge-based information, which is putting your website URL, as well as you can put some text, Q&As, documentation, PDFs, and all that, and AI learns over it. Then you start building agents. The first agent is, and I explained, is Agent K. Now, the job of Agent K is you pretty much define your ideal customer profile. I'm going to ask you a few questions, define all the criteria in there, and only tell it how many leads do you need every single day, and what kind of outreach do you want for that. Even you can connect all your LinkedIn with it as well. And what Agent K will do is Agent K will start hunting for leads for you. It looks for the signals like, let's say, new businesses being registered every single day. Someone is expanding the business, someone is hiring the team, someone is opening the new branch, someone is, let's say, I mean, there are probably hundreds of other signals. It looks for the right signals for your ideal customer profile. It will start bringing in the leads to you on your dashboard. You'll start seeing the leads on the dashboard in here. It's not like Apollo where you basically export 1,000 data list every single day and then you just have to do all the cold emails and stuff. It's like real-time signals based leads, probably 5-10 every hour, and then it's going to send an email. All automatically is going to build the sequences, send the email to all those businesses. Now, when it sends the email, it also enters a UTM tag in each of that email so that when the user opens that email, the Knox agent instantly identifies this is the person. He read this email and now he's opened it and now he's on my website. And when that person is on the website, the Knox agent job is to again identify that visitor instantly and reach out to that visitor with say, hey, thank you for reading my note and thank you for coming on the website. Is there anything I can help you with, really? And that is how it completes the equation rather than just cold outreach and then pretty much sitting there waiting for someone to come back to you or book an appointment. It fills the other part of the equation where email sent, and now when they're on the website, re-engage with them automatically and you know who that person is. This is Agent K, which will hunt for leads for you. Now, if I show you in here in the high level part, everyone uses an opportunities tab in the high level, right? So this is something that you do the management by yourself. You manage what lead is at what stage and so on. Now, basically built on this opportunities tab, we've got the funnel section in here. Now, the funnel section, what it does, Knock Knock does is Knock Knock reads your opportunities in high level, and then it again picks the right signals from there. Let's say there are 40 businesses sitting in your opportunities tab. Who out of those 40 are more active, are coming back to your website, opening your emails, sending the signals that they are hot or warm leads, and it's going to give you the daily brief in here. which ones are the hottest one and who should you be on your highest priority for today, who's recently visited the website, who's coming back again and again and again, and it gives you the real-time information. Now, it also gives you a brief every single morning. This is the Knox agent. Let me just show you here.
Good morning, Omar. What can I help you with?
Hi, Knox, please tell me what happened on my website yesterday.
Let me pull up yesterday's summary for you. Yesterday, you had 162 sessions with a 43% bounce rate. The funnel shows a big drop-off at engagement. 167 people visited, but none engaged or identified. You did have 12 bookings total, with 3 meetings happening yesterday and 10 booked that day. Also, 5 hot leads have gone silent for over 7 days. Want me to list them so you can follow up?
Yes, can you tell me someone called Billy? She booked a meeting with me from Australia. Who is she? When did she visit the website?
Let me look up Billy for you. Pulling up Billy's profile. Billy is from Geelong, Australia. She's been a very engaged visitor with 12 visits total, last active yesterday afternoon at 11:10 p.m. your time. She's been researching your offerings heavily, lots of time on agency partners, pricing, and product pages. She did book a meeting with you and shows strong intent to transact, though she did hit some friction with form abandonment on the agency partners page. Her engagement score is 97, which is excellent.
That's perfect. Did she find any friction on the website? Any clicks, any dead clicks?
Let me check her friction details. Let me check her timeline for friction events. Yes, Billy did encounter friction. Her profile shows multiple dead clicks and form abandonment on the agency partners page. She also frequently abandoned forms when trying to engage with chat or voice options. Despite that, she still booked a meeting with you, which shows strong intent. But it's worth addressing those friction points when you speak with her.
Perfect. Can you let me know, notify me when she visit the website again?
Setting up notification for Billy. Done. I'll notify you when Billy visits the website again.
That's awesome. And when she visits the website again, can you make sure that you try your best to engage with her to book another appointment?
Setting up auto engagement for Billy. Done. When Billy visits again, I'll automatically engage her warmly and push for booking another appointment.
Awesome. You're amazing, Knox. So there you go. There are more things as well. I can tell to Knox that.
I mean, but that's a little ridiculous. So, I mean, that is pretty cool. So, I mean, guys, I don't know if you've ever seen anything like this. This is why I love this tool. By far the coolest thing ever. And again, it's not just capturing the leads on the website, which is obviously, you guys saw how aggressive it is, but it's engaging with understanding what's happening on your website, why your website's not converting, understand where people are losing the friction and everything else. It's a much bigger model. And again, this is why I love promoting this tool, because it's just so badass. But that's kind of the way I go. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt, but I just thought Knox is pretty cool.
I just want to add one thing. I can also tell Knox, send a message to Billy. Knox will send an SMS via GoHighLevel. I can say that, Knox, can you send an email to Billy? Knox will write an email and send it to Billy. I can also say that, make an outbound call to Billy. Knox will do an outbound call to Billy as well. So it can do everything, and we are just increasing the capabilities day after day into this Knox here. Now, if I go to the other part, so obviously we've got chat bot agent in there. We've got the widget voice agent in there. We have got auto connect agent that we explained. Auto connect agent job is to basically proactively reach out to visitors, automatically connect with them, as the word explains. Then we have got outbound call agents. Like, you can build as many outbound call agents as you like, pretty much define the behavior, the prompt. You can buy the phone number, or you can import your phone number in there, webhooks, all with a lead connector, GoHighLevel, all the, like, you can customize the tagging for HighLevel and all that. And I mean, the whole automation runs from HighLevel. You set up automation, and this knock outbound agents will call. Then you can build a multiple of inbound agents, and then we have a WhatsApp agent. Now, every tool offers these outbound, inbound call agents, but the main thing is this one has got the memory. When someone calls, and if he has engaged with you on your website in the past, it's not gonna be like, who are you or how can I help you? It's gonna be, hi there, Nuno. Welcome back to the website. It remembers the last conversation. It reads the whole file of customer in HighLevel, including emails, past SMS, notes. It understands the full context, whatever is happening, whatever has happened in the past in HighLevel, and the whole conversation, it takes it to the really next level, all proactively, without you or without the user have to inform what this call is about or what this message is about. So this is far more superior high contextual agents rather than just a chatbot agents in there. Yeah, so this is the overall about Knock Knock app integrations. Obviously, our biggest integration is Lead Connector, including the calendar bookings all straight into GoHighLevel. We have got the webhooks APIs available. One very good feature, let me show you in here. Now, there's so many businesses who offer inbound calls and outbound calls and the chatbots. One of the very big features that we have is when the user is speaking with AI, whether that's outbound call, inbound call, or widget call, you receive a notification on your desktop and on your mobile phone. You can actually read the transcript in real time, what the conversation is happening, what the user is saying, and what AI is saying. One tap, you can listen to the conversation in real time, what the conversation is happening, and if you are available, you can actually jump into the call, really. So it's not just AI and AI versus human, it's AI with human, really. I mean, if you don't want to jump in, you can pretty much listen to, okay, what the call is going and how the call is going on. If you think the call is not going in the right direction, or if you think this is a very good lead, just one click of a button and you are in the call, on the video call or audio call with the customer. And if you want to add something.
There's one thing that I really want to add here. Like, as a marketer, I use Knock Knock, obviously, and I'm really excited about the nurturing part that I can manage within GoHighLevel. And what is most valuable for me is like how I can literally move my contacts from cold to very warm through good content, which is my strength. As so I'm creating pipelines and opportunities where Knock Knock is giving me signals, or Agent K is providing the signal that, okay, this person, based on whatever data it has, it's now warm or it's now intermediate. So if you have your existing clients, it's an opportunity for you to create those pipelines because you have the visibility through Knock Knock, and you can literally show them that, look, we can create more workflows for you and as contacts, and we can set up high value relevant content for those potential customers, and we can literally push them towards very warm. So it's another great way for agencies to pitch their customers, along with all that Umar has shown, voice and chat and inbound and outbound, and along with all that, it's another thing which is on the side within GoHighLevel you can build.
Amazing.
So you don't even technically even need HighLevel because you would have the whole sales platform in here for WordsBee. So very cool. All right, well, team, I wanted to give everybody an opportunity to take a look and speak with the owners, but as you can see, this is like, to me, if you're running traffic and you want to see what's going on your websites and you want to sell a little bit more aggressively, honestly, this is probably one of the best tools I've seen in a long while. And we're using it pretty successfully and we enjoy it. And their customer service is amazing. They are the owners and operators, so you'll see them quite often in the tool once you're in it. So this, again, if you're not running traffic, not for you yet, wait until you have an offer and you actually have leads coming into your website. But for everybody else, I think this would be a complete knockout of the park thing that you can do on your sites immediately to kind of get it going.